doing there, Flipper boy?
Nothing. What are you doing?
Nothing. Just dropped in for a little lunch.
Food? Here? Oh, no, wait. Not me. I'm a big boy.
Exactly. The Flipper boys, that's me, eat the fish. The Flying boys, that's me, eat the Flipper boy and the food. Lately, there ain't a lot of fish. I'm getting the juice of this. Hey,
What's this?
What you doing out there, Flipper boy?
Get up here!
Get back up here this minute.
Right, just let him get away.
Oh, you screwy alien.
Hey, I'm gonna talk to you.